Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to customize your quick settings in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. Now if you swipe from top to bottom, here you can find your quick settings. If you want to customize your quick settings, just open up your settings app. Now from here go to wallpapers and style and then go to quick settings. From here you can customize your quick settings. You can change your quick settings button shape from here. You can see 6 options here: circle, square, rhombus, window, and you can set any shape as you like. And it's changed successfully. Now if you scroll down again and then tap on 3 dots at the top right corner of your display, then tap on edit titles. You can also customize your quick settings from here. You can add or remove any function from here. Suppose if you want to add do not disturb mode to your quick settings, just touch and hold it and drag it to here, and that's it, and here it is. And that is how you can customize quick settings in your OnePlus Nord N30 SE 5G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.